If you want to set up an app timer on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, open up your settings. Now we're gonna locate our digital Wellbeing tab. Here it is. Now we're gonna scroll down to our app timers. Tap on it. Now we have to select an item. So the application, for example, let's set timer on this game. Press done so you can add up a name for it. Let's name it study. Now I gotta press add schedule. So choose your schedule. For example, let it be from Monday up to Friday. So let's let it be, I don't know, 5 o'clock. Press save. And now every time you're gonna use it, as you see, this schedule will start. Don't forget to press save. And basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.